Hi, everybody, and I hope you're doing well. Someone asked me, "Hey Bella, would you kindly show us how to check your status on Qatar Airways website?" I said, "Sure." And then I thought, let me share this video as well here on TikTok. I'll talk to you how to do it, how to go about it, and then probably on YouTube, I'll do a video so people can see, okay, how to go about it in case it's not very clear here. Because sometimes English doesn't English. And it's our second language, therefore, I might not explain it better the way you will understand it, but I will try. Okay, first things first, for you to be able to check your status, you have to have applied for one of their positions at Qatar Airways. So how to go about it? Go to their website www.qatarairwayscareers.com. Apply for a job in whatever position you want to apply, whatever city you want to apply at. Once you do that and submit, you're going to receive a mail or an email to say, "Dear applicant, your application ID is," they're going to give you an ID for your application for that position that you're applying for. And then they're going to say, "Thank you for applying for the position of whatever position you're applying for, whether it's an airport service agent, whether it's an cabin crew position, whether it's a receptionist, whether it's a front desk, whatever position that you're going to apply for, they are going to say the title. And then they are going to say, your application is now being reviewed by one of our recruiter, and we will contact you with an updated status shortly." And then it will continue and say, if you are shortlisted for this position, our recruiter will be in contact with you to discuss your application in more details. It further says, in the meantime, please update or amend your personal details and other information through application login. And then it continues and says, this is your username. And then it continues and says, a password can be generated by clicking on forget your password option on the application login page. All right. If you really have that email, I believe you've read through, because they pretty much share the same details. The only details that is different is your application ID. Your application ID is very unique. You won't share that ID with anyone. And the other thing that is very unique is your username, because they're going to use your email address as your username, the email address you used to apply for the position that you're applying for. So you will notice that that letter that you have, it has 3 different kinds of colors. So number 1 will be the normal black. Number 2 color will be blue. And number 3 color will be black but bold, okay? Or a bigger font than the rest of the mail. And then you will notice that it says that in the meantime, please update or amend your personal detail and other information through your application login. That the 2 letters, two names, application login, they are blue and they are underlined and they are clickable. So what you do, you click on that applicant login. Once you do that, it's going to take you to another page that asks you to put your username and password. So they already have your username on the email. So you're going to use the same username they are giving you on your letter. You know that letter that they say, "Dear applicant." And then they say on the password, say forget your password. That way the system is going to help you create your own password. You know how you create your password and it says write your password, and then you put your password, and then it says rewrite your password, just to make sure that that's your password and it matches. It will tell you that your password has to be strong. It must have a capital, caps. It must have small numbers, special signs and stuff like that. So make sure that your password is strong. Once you create that and click create, then you have created a login to view your application. And once you do that, once you create your password, it's going to send you, once you say forget password, it's going to send you another mail that says, we have received your password change request. This email contains the information that you need to change your password. It gives you an access code, and then it has that access code, and then it says please use the access code above as your old password when resetting your password. Okay, so once you click on enter your new password, you're going to use the access code that you've been given. It's easy to copy paste it, so you can copy it as it is rather than going to type, because it has very special letters and special characters. Okay, so once you do that, once you use the access code, and then it allows you now to create your own password. Okay, so once you create your password, that's it. You can now easily go to the Qatar Airways website. As soon as you log in, you will see your status, the position that you applied for, and the status, whether it's under review, application completed, interviewing process, stuff like that. Now you can now easily see your application status. I hope that was helpful. I hope it was well understood. If it's really not clear, let me know. I will try speak your language. And yeah, all the best, guys.